grinded sugar, or you can do it yourself. The ingredients are all-purpose flour 1 cup, baking powder, grinded sugar, 2 eggs and half cup of oil. You have to take 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It can be any cocoa powder. Then take 2 eggs and put them in a bowl. Okay guys, then you have to mix your oil into the sugar powder that you had already prepared, and you have to wait for it to sit and settle. And meanwhile, what you can do is you can start beating your eggs. So you have to be really quick and you have to beat the eggs for 2 minutes only. And the indication that your eggs are done would be that the egg texture would change completely. It would be very foamy and it would be somewhat like a light pale or light yellow colored texture. Then you also have to beat the oil and sugar mixture. Then you have to mix the baking powder, all-purpose flour and the eggs together. At any point, if you feel that your mixture is getting too thick, the trick would be to add some milk into that. So I also did the same, and I added milk into the oil and sugars mixture, and then I put it into the flour, baking powder and eggs mixture. And then I used a beater to beat it again for 1 minute, or you can even extend it to 2 minutes, but I just did it for 1 minute because it's a really quick recipe and you don't need to invest a lot of time in this. Okay, meanwhile I greased my pan with some oil. Poured 3/4 of the mixture into the bowl and took the remaining and mixed it with the cocoa powder that I had taken initially and added some milk into it. Okay guys, so the chocolate mixture goes on top of the main mixture that you had prepared, and you have to put the cake into a preheated oven for 30 minutes, and the temperature of the preheating should be 200 degrees Celsius, and you can make any design on the cake that you want. And it's done. That's all you guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more such quick and easy recipes. Take care. Bye bye.